Alright guys, so we're bringing back dirt jumps. And I'm calling Finchy because it's actually buggy. Probably don't want to do dirt over there. So I'm gonna make a pass. And then I'm gonna go try to find a spot to dig a hole. Because we need to move a lot of dirt. Dun, 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 dun. So we've got this nice run up. Look over there. We've got this nice run up. And we can even go on pavement, hop the curb if we need to. And so we're planning on building a pretty decent table right here. And it's not really gonna be a jump spot. We really still want to do like a pump track and stuff. And we might do that here, but we're not really sure what's gonna happen. So I think a pump track's gonna be more work than just a bunch of dirt on a table, which I guess if we wanted to, we could use way less dirt and put logs here and do a log table. And honestly, we might want to do that, even though we know from the last dirt jumps how good it can be if you just totally pack dirt. Like, remember how good those jumps were? They were solid. Alright, but knowing how the dirt is here, I don't know, because I've built jumps with logs underneath, and after jumping them for a while, and after rain and after snow, they're really bad. So that's why I really want to just try to do solid dirt. If we wanted, we could get mulch out here and build a giant step up to mulch and learn backflips, but backflips. I don't know how good of an idea that would be.
Anybody want some water?
No. 3,
wait.
2,
I'm not gonna pour it on the camera. Okay,
1.
some water.
Pour it on.
What? That wasn't me. That wasn't me.
I'm sorry, Sam. Alright. We've got this jump, bro. It looks so tiny on camera, but it's just the start. It's basically just our packed down dirt. This is gonna be a big table. The table's probably gonna go to here, landing. So Finchy's just gonna try it out. We don't know how well we packed it, so he's gonna take it easy.
Oh my God.
Yes. Dude, the thing is, we can make it that much wider.
Oh yeah, earlier.
Look at me, fuck on me, yeah. Look at me, look at me, look at me, yeah. Fuck on me, yeah. Look at me, fuck on me, look at me.
Are you doing that?
Right next to the car, that's high school dropout. Somebody whacking class, we've been taking those
Alright guys, so I gotta figure out my life and figure out why I can't jump. Because I keep hitting my shins and my feet sleeps. We did a little bit of sending. I did the least amount of sending. Right, boys?
Yeah, I think we did less.
Alright. Not much. And he did more successful sending. So this is our, what are we gonna call this? I don't know, it's not really a table.
It's half table.
A half boy table.
The kick it.
Except I send it.
Yeah, this kid,
The kick
wait, where can we see where he lands? He lands like here. From there. Oh, I barely land over the top. So now we're gonna try to find something else we're gonna build. I think Keegan has a plan. So what's the plan, boy?
Make a line of jumps. Or firm, I don't know, whatever you want to do.
Or we can do everything.
Both.
Come on. Oh, he's way too close to me.
That was way too close.
So guys, we're out in the woods again. I had to go mow a lawn, so I've got like my mowing shoes on. And I didn't bring my bike, so it's just this boy and this boy that have bikes. So he just literally sent this thing with us sitting there. So now, I don't know what we're working on because I kind of just got here. But we're gonna film some more stuff and send it. So Connor just showed up because he's late. Gay. All right.
So he's gonna send it on Keegan's bike because his rim is still folded.
If you ever see me in the spot, aiming the mark.
What the heck?
Oh, faggot going.
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
My mind on the bread like a condiment. I don't play catch up, it's so they can turn to it. Fuck all they
Those
compliments.
lyrics.
I'm more concerned with accomplishments. I'm more like Papa bitch. I'm mixing rings like
Hairline looks like.
I was trying to clear it. Why was you going?
You're still going too slow.
Yeah, you're going.
Oh! He lands sideways.
Don't actually do it. He'll crash.
That's the coolest blown out in the morning.
Alright guys, so I'm filming on my phone because I'm lazy as a ball. So yeah, this is our berm jump send it boy.
You're gonna have to smoothen out the jump more.
Oh yeah, your brother hit it and totally demolished it. You can see his fat boy marks. I brought my bike earlier, but I had to go mow a lawn, so my mom just dropped me off afterwards.
They wanna shoot and kill with 2 knives. Niggas wanna fold me up like 2 times. Tryna lay a bitch to sleep, I'm too kind. Ain't no other pistol beat. I beat pistol pieces, paint pictures, pieces 2 times. Front up in the midst of beat, she like, hold up. Niggas better bow down. For the bitches that I never get tied down. Either fuck with the love money, run it.
That was a sick pass.
Still super nose heavy. I love how he turns the bars.
Bobo.
We're in the woods, boo-boo.
Alright guys, so thank you for watching the video. Sorry that some of it was filmed on my phone. But
Wow,
I'm
we're
stoked.
fat.
we are picking up the garbage. But guys, this is our jump. It's really hard on camera.
Here, wait, look at it from this perspective. I'm 6'3".
290 pounds.
The thing is, we do a dig in, so it looks tiny up here, but it's actually pretty. The lip is aggressive.
So I'm 6'3", 635 pounds.
The thing is, it's an aggressive lip, so that's all that matters. We are stoked about this. The berm, it's not done yet. This is basically done unless we're gonna do a gap, a double gapness. I need to go home. I have not been home since. That was his helmet.
Hey, what you taking pictures of, boy?
All right, so we gotta get these.
Don't act like you did any work today, you little bastard.
We gotta let these little boys home. We gotta let these kids go home. So. Stop it. Yeah. I think we're all gonna head out. See you guys. Make sure to subscribe. Peace.
I wasn't 90 old.
Dude.
Again!
That might have been.
We call that ballin'. Doing this is my calling.